The Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, April 21st. I'm James Spann. We'll have the chance of scattered showers and storms today and tomorrow. A really nice weekend and the warmest weather so far this year ahead next week. So let's check it out. Trough in the central United States beginning to lift northeast. That was part of the Omega block we had earlier this week. You can see moisture streaming up in advance of the trough. That was the radar at 5 o'clock, the composite. Still at that point, the bulk of the showers west of the state. They're nothing especially heavy. Starting off the day in the 50s and 60s. Numbers really all over the board. You got Gadsden 55, Birmingham about 10 degrees warmer. We'll expect a high in the upper 70s in most spots today. On the watch warning map, flash flood watches west of the state for parts of East Texas and Louisiana. Other than that, things are pretty quiet around the nation. We note a dense fog advisory for southwest Alabama and the western tip of the Florida Panhandle to start the day. Severe weather possibilities, marginal risks over Illinois and from near Jackson, Mississippi over to the Rio Grande. No risk defined here, but tomorrow there's a marginal risk for parts of the state. That marginal risk is basically along and south of a line from Anniston to Hoover to Demopolis. And again, this is not a major threat. There could be a few strong storms in there tomorrow afternoon with gusty winds, maybe some small hail. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning. Amounts generally 1/2 inch or less. And again, the weekend's going to be great. And we'll see a few scattered showers again by the middle of next week. But really, no super big rain event here anytime soon. So let's take a look, model fans. This is the GFS, the 06C run at 1 o'clock today. Troughing to the west and a chance of showers. The sky cloudy at times today. This is the high-res HER at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Could there be some thunder? Yes. But you can see that the rain's kind of spotty in nature. The sun might peek out at times today, but the sky will be mostly cloudy. This is tomorrow. And again, we got a cold front near the shoals. In advance of that, we'll have a chance of showers and storms, but the high-res models are not really bullish on rain tomorrow. This is the 4-kilometer NAM at 4 o'clock, just showing a few little specks. Now, if storms can get going, they could be strong, especially to the south of Birmingham, south of Interstate 20. That's the surface-based instability at the same time, 4 o'clock tomorrow. And the instability values are almost up to 2,500 joules per kilogram. That's a very unstable air mass, and that would certainly support severe storms, but there's no real dynamic support. Accordingly, the EHI numbers are very low, typically under 1 unit here. And I say this a lot. In the summertime, you can have capes of 4,000 joules every day, but you don't have any severe weather because the main dynamics are far, far to the north. But we'll watch for a few strong storms tomorrow afternoon, but otherwise a few scattered showers and storms, but it's certainly not going to rain all day today or tomorrow. Then Saturday looking good, sunny and warm. The high will be around 80. Sunday, sunny with low 80s likely. Go to Monday of next week. Looks like we stay dry, stay warm with low to mid 80s. Tuesday, a surface front is north of the state, and that might suggest a few scattered showers, nothing organized. The bigger issues will be west of the state on Tuesday. You can see a 998 millibar low that's over the eastern part of Colorado. In fact, let me show you the severe weather outlooks for next week. This is Tuesday, and now the SPC guys have an enhancement over Oklahoma City and I-30 in Oklahoma with a lower risk all the way down into the Texas Hill Country. This is Wednesday of next week, a severe weather risk over Missouri and some of the adjacent states. And Thursday, the risk is back over Texas and Oklahoma. And that is the day 8 outlook. So it looks very active for areas west of the state, but really not here. This is Wednesday of next week. A deep surface low is over the Dakotas. And again, we could see a few scattered showers, but not too much rain. And this is a week from today, Thursday, the 28th, new trough in the southwest. And again, we're kind of warm and dry. So next week, there could be a few widely scattered showers along the way, but probably not much rain. This is the end of the month, Saturday the 30th. Trough stays in the southwest, and we stay under a ridge, and it's just kind of warm and mostly dry here with the big severe weather action well to the west. That looks like another severe weather setup for Texas and Oklahoma. It looks very active for our friends there over the next 10 to 15 days, but just kind of warm and quiet here. Now, how about hot here? Look at the numbers off the ensemble. This thing is ramping us up to 90 at the end of this month. Goodness gracious. We hope that ridge breaks down before the summer gets here. It could be some nasty heat come July and August. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.